Today, we embark on a journey to bring joy and vibrancy back to your plant companions. Just like people, our green friends thrive when they are cared for and their needs are met. A drooping leaf or a faded bloom can tug at our heartstrings, can't it? But have no fear, for with a little love and attention, we can breathe life back into these precious beings. We will explore simple yet effective techniques to revive your struggling plants. Remember, even the smallest actions can spark immense joy, both for you and your plants. Let's create a space where both you and your plants can truly flourish. Are you ready to embark on this fulfilling journey with me? Let's begin. Our journey begins with the most fundamental element, water, the lifeblood of all living things. Just as we need water to thrive, so do our plant companions, who rely on it for their growth and vitality. However, too much or too little water can disrupt the delicate balance of their well-being, leading to various issues. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common ailment that suffocates the roots and prevents them from absorbing essential nutrients. On the other hand, underwatering can leave your plants parched and wilted, struggling to survive in dry conditions. But fret not, for finding the perfect balance is simpler than you might think, and it can be achieved with a few mindful practices. It starts with understanding the specific needs of your plant, which can vary greatly from one species to another. Different species have different watering preferences, so it's essential to do a little research and get to know your plants better. A simple way to check soil moisture is to press your finger about an inch deep into the soil, feeling for moisture. If it feels dry, it's time for a drink. Your plants will thank you for the timely hydration. If damp, hold off on watering. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Overwatering can be detrimental, so ensure proper drainage to prevent water from stagnating around the roots. Choose pots with drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix to keep the roots healthy and happy. Use fresh, room-temperature water to avoid shocking their delicate root systems, which can be sensitive to temperature changes. With the right care, your garden can flourish beautifully. Just as we enjoy a refreshing shower, our plants appreciate a gentle cleanse to remove dust and pests. Imagine the joy your plants will feel when their leaves can finally breathe freely. A clean plant is a happy plant. To give your plants a spa-like experience, start by preparing a basin or sink with lukewarm water. Avoid using hot or cold water, as extreme temperatures can shock their systems and cause stress. You can use plain water for a quick rinse, but for a thorough cleanse, add a few drops of gentle plant-safe soap. This helps to remove any stubborn dirt or pests. Support your plant's stems and leaves as you gently lower them into the water. Be careful not to submerge the entire plant. Use a soft cloth or sponge to wipe away dust or dirt. This ensures that the leaves are clean and can absorb light more effectively. For plants with hairy leaves, like African violets, use a soft brush to gently dust them off. This prevents damage to the delicate leaf hairs. After their bath, allow your plants to drip dry completely before returning them to their spots. This helps prevent mold and mildew. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight while they're still wet, as this can cause leaf burn. Regularly giving your plants a gentle bath enhances their physical appearance and promotes their overall health. Clean leaves can photosynthesize more efficiently. This leads to stronger growth, more vibrant colors, and a greater sense of vitality. Your plants will thrive and flourish. A gentle bath can help deter common pests like spider mites and aphids, keeping your plants healthy and pest-free. Just as we seek sunlight, our plant companions rely on light as their primary source of energy. Light fuels photosynthesis, allowing them to convert light energy into chemical energy. Without sufficient light, our plants become like wilted spirits. The type and amount of light they need can vary greatly depending on the species. Some plants, like succulents, thrive in bright direct light. Others, such as ferns, prefer indirect light. Understanding the light requirements of your specific plants is crucial. If you notice your plants becoming leggy, it's a sign they're not receiving enough light. If their leaves appear scorched, they might be getting too much direct sunlight. Observe how the light changes throughout your home during the day. South-facing windows receive the most direct sunlight, ideal for sun-loving plants. East-facing windows provide gentle morning sun, perfect for bright, indirect light. North-facing windows receive the least amount of direct sunlight, suitable for low-light plants. Just as we nourish our bodies with food, our plants require essential nutrients to thrive. Fertilizer acts as a vitamin boost, replenishing the soil with vital minerals. Think of fertilizer as a gourmet meal for your plants. These nutrients play crucial roles in various plant functions. Nitrogen promotes lush, green growth. Phosphorus supports strong root development and enhances flowering. Potassium enhances overall plant vigor and improves disease resistance. Over-fertilizing can be detrimental, leading to salt buildup and root burn. When selecting a fertilizer, consider the specific needs of your plants. Liquid fertilizers are quickly absorbed, ideal for a quick nutrient boost. Granular fertilizers release nutrients gradually as you water. Slow-release fertilizers provide a steady supply of nutrients over time. Most houseplants benefit from fertilization every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Pruning allows us to guide our plants towards their full potential. It's a transformative act that can seem daunting at first. Pruning helps redirect the plant's energy towards new growth. By removing dead, damaged, or diseased leaves and stems, we create space for new life to emerge. Pruning is essential for maintaining the health and vitality of our plants. Before you begin pruning, observe your plant's natural shape and growth habit. Start by removing any dead, yellowing, or diseased leaves or stems. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to make clean cuts. Focus on branches that are crossing over each other or growing inwards. Removing them will open up the plant's structure. Don't be afraid to prune back leggy stems. Cutting them back will encourage bushier growth. Repotting provides our plant companions with a much-needed change of scenery. Just as we outgrow our clothes, plants can outgrow their containers. When this happens, their growth becomes stunted. Repotting is an opportunity to refresh the soil and improve drainage. Over time, the potting mix can become compacted. Before you begin repotting, gather your supplies. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Carefully remove the plant from its current container. If the roots are circling tightly, gently loosen them. Fill the new pot with fresh potting mix. Place the plant in the center of the pot and backfill with more potting mix. Water the repotted plant thoroughly. Avoid fertilizing immediately after repotting. Repotting is an act of rejuvenation, providing plants with the space and nourishment they need to thrive. As we conclude our journey of reviving struggling plants, remember that the most important ingredients are your love, attention, and intention. These elements are the foundation of successful plant care and will ensure that your green friends flourish. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips into your plant care routine, you'll create a nurturing environment where both you and your plants can thrive. Consistency is key, and with a little patience, you'll see remarkable improvements in your plant's health and vitality. Remember to check the soil moisture regularly, providing water when needed, and allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so finding that balance is crucial for your plant's well-being. Give your plants a gentle bath occasionally to remove dust and pests, and find the perfect spot in your home where they can bask in the right amount of light. Light is a vital component for photosynthesis, and ensuring your plants get enough will help them grow strong and healthy. Nourish them with a balanced fertilizer. Prune them with care to encourage new growth, and repot them when necessary to provide ample space for their roots to flourish. Each of these steps plays a significant role in maintaining the overall health of your plants. Thank you for joining me on this journey of plant care and rejuvenation. Your dedication and effort will surely pay off, and your plants will thank you with their vibrant growth and beauty. May your home be filled with the joy and vibrancy of thriving plants, bringing a sense of peace, tranquility, and connection to nature into your everyday life. The presence of healthy plants can transform any space into a serene and inviting environment. See? With a few simple changes, you can bring your plants back from the brink and watch them thrive again. It's incredibly rewarding to see the fruits of your labor as your plants recover and flourish. Just remember, check the water, boost the light, give them a trim, and feed them right. These basic steps, when done consistently, will ensure your plants remain healthy and vibrant. Your plants will be back to looking their best before you know it. With your continued care and attention, they will thrive and bring beauty to your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips, and share your plant revival stories in the comments. Let's keep growing together. Your experiences and tips can inspire others in their plant care journey and are invaluable to our growing community. Happy gardening!